All right, this is homework practice 7-3. We're just continuing to work with addition and subtraction problems and finding the whole. This again is a sample. We've used a bar diagram. We know the total amount, and so that we know the whole and one of the parts, but we don't know both of the parts. So it's just going through and finding out both of the parts. So let's go ahead and take a look at this first one. Joshua used 23 more craft sticks on his project than Candace. Joshua used 41 craft sticks. How many craft sticks did Candace use? So we know the total is 41 craft sticks that Joshua used. And then we know that he used 23 more than Candace. So we know one of the parts is 23 more than, and then I'll just put a C here for Candace. So we have to figure out how many did Candace actually use. We know a total is 41, and we've got 23 here. So let's just go ahead and subtract it out. Let's subtract out that part so we can get the other answer. 1 minus 3 won't work. We've got to change that to an 11, and that changes to a 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 18 is our answer here for how many Candace used. 18 craft sticks. Gavin painted 14 pictures last week. He painted some more pictures this week. How many more? We don't know. But he painted 25 pictures in all. How many pictures did Gavin paint this week? So let's do our little bar diagram here. We know he has a total of 25. And we know he did 14. So 14 plus what equals 25? I'm going to subtract it back. 25 minus 14 equals 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 11 is our answer over here. All right, let's go ahead and head to the back page on this one and get it ready to go here. Let's see if that looks hopefully relatively level. Okay, Daniel tosses a number cube 19 fewer times than Jaden. Daniel tosses a number cube 38 times. How many times does Jaden toss a number cube? So we've got our two numbers here. We need to know the total number. We don't know the total number on here. So we do know 38 times. And Daniel tossed it 19 fewer times than Jaden, which is 19. So we need to add these two numbers together to get our total. So 38 plus 19. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So we have a total of 57 times. Okay, this one's our higher order thinking. Takes a lot of time to figure out exactly what the question's asking. So we're going to take it step by step. Wyatt has 34 blocks. Stella has 36 blocks. They give 14 blocks to Henry. First of all, what we need to do is figure out how many blocks Wyatt and Stella have together before we figure out how many they give away to Henry. So we have 34 blocks plus 36 blocks. We know we're adding them together because we need to find the total amount. So I'm going to go through and add 34 plus 36. So 34 plus 36. Let's stack it so all the ones are on top of each other, all the tens place. 4 plus 6 is 0 and 1. Because it's 10, we have to regroup. And 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So we know our total is 70. Now, our total is 70, but they give 14 blocks to Henry. So we need to bring this down here. 70. If we're giving blocks away to somebody, that's going to be subtracting because we're taking away from the whole. Minus 14. So 70 minus 14. 0 minus 4 doesn't work, so we're going to have to regroup. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So we get 56, and now they have 56 blocks there after they give 14 away to Henry. All right, for our last and final one here, Oliver runs 23 fewer laps than Nate. Nate runs 61 laps. How many laps does Oliver run? So we know we have 23 fewer than Nate, and Nate's total is 61 laps. So we need to figure out what this is here. So 61 minus 23. 1 minus 3 won't work. We're going to have to regroup. 11 minus 3 is 8. That becomes a 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. And our answer is 38 laps.